Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're at Nall in the fall 2025 on the electric line. It's Thursday. There says a Pilatus PC-21, very nice by Sebart. Great looking little airplane. These turboprops are very popular, whether they're electric or actual turboprop. People love them, and they're very cool. So sit back, relax, get yourself something to drink, and enjoy the flight.
Let's go get the jet first.
Yeah. It's been a gorgeous day today, folks. Cool breeze, no rain. Ground's been slowly drying out, thank goodness. Still a lot of mud, but it keeps getting drier and drier by the hour, so very nice. One more day left of the Nall, which will be tomorrow. Hard to believe it's already been a full week. It goes by so fast, but it's a lot of fun.
Clear. Taxi out.
Gentleman flying the plane, his name is Mike, and Mike is a cabinet maker, believe it or not. He has a family business. They do kitchen cabinets. Have for many years. He's a phenomenal builder. He's helped out many times over with the community build. Very grateful to him for his tremendous help. All right, folks, sit back, relax, and here we go.
On board. Landing on 5.
Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. That's okay. I'll get you back. Don't worry. The night is young, Brian. The night is young. Folks, that was Brian Phillips of the Brian Phillips YouTube channel. He's funny. He and Megan are really wonderful people. Very nice people. Great channel, folks. Check it out. Brian Phillips RC on YouTube. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Folks, we're going to call that Pilatus butter right there. Pilatus butter, because it's the Pilatus in beautiful landings. And it's just smooth, smooth, smooth. Gorgeous landing, folks. Fantastic. Just wonderful. You know, the Sebart's not as popular. I mean, but boy, they sure do make great planes. You know, it's a shame they're not bigger. But nonetheless, it's a beautiful flyer. So, folks, more to come.